Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ishtiaq Hassan from group GMM10. Now we will discuss about the chemotherapy. Many different kind of chemotherapy or chemo drugs are used to treat cancer, either alone or in combination with the other drugs or treatment. These drugs are very different in their chemical composition, what they are made of, how they are prescribed and given, how useful they are in treating certain type of cancer, and the side effect they might have. Every time any a new cell is formed, it goes through a usual process to become a fully functioning or mature cell. The process involves a serious phase and is called the cell cycle. Chemotherapy drug target cell at different phases of the cell cycle. Understanding how these drugs work help doctor predict which drugs are likely to work well together. Doctor can also plan how often doses of each drug should be given based on the timing of the cell phases. Alkaline agent keep the cell from reproducing, making copy of itself by damaging its DNA. These drugs work in all phases of the cell cycle and are used to treat many different cancer, including cancer of the lung, breast and ovary, as well as leukemia, lymphoma, Hodgkin disease, multiple myeloma and sarcoma. Because these drugs damage DNA, they can affect the cell of the bone marrow, which make new blood cell. In rare case, this can lead to leukemia. The risk of leukemia from alkylating agent is dose dependent, meaning that the risk is small with the low doses but goes up and total amount of the drug used gets higher. The risk of leukemia after getting alkaline agent is highest about 5 to 10 years after treatment. Altertamine. Hexaline altertamine capsule may be administered either for 14 or 21 consecutive days in a 28-day cycle at dose of 260 mg m² per day. The total daily dose should be given as 4 divided oral dose after meals and at bedtime. There is no pharmacokinetic information supporting this dosing regimen and the effect food on hexalane capsule. Altertamine capsule bioavailability or pharmacokinetics has not been evaluated. Side effect: nausea and vomiting, peripheral neuropathy and central nervous system symptoms, mood disorder of the consciousness, ataxia, dizziness, vertigo, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia. Altermetabonase, antimetabolites interfere with DNA or RNA, acting as a substitute for the normal building block of RNA and DNA. When this happens, the DNA cannot make copies of itself and a cell cannot reproduce. They are commonly used to treat leukemias, cancer of the breast, ovary and the intestinal tract, as well as other of cancer. Azacitidine 5 fluorokyl F5U6 Marsapatopurine 6 MP Capecitabine Ziloda Cladribine and clofazimine, citrabine, ARS, destabine and fluoxetine and fluodrabine. Hormone therapy. Drug in this category work on different action of hormone that make some cancer grow. These drugs are used to slow growth of certain breast, prostate and the endometrial uterine cancer, which normally grow in the response to natural sex hormone in the body. They work by making the cancer cell unable to use the hormone they need to grow, or by preventing the body from making the hormone. Immunotherapy is a type of treatment that use drug to boost the alter and person immune system. These drugs are used with certain type of cancer to help a patient immune system recognize and attack a cancer cell. Thank you for attention. This was our topic about chemotherapy. Thank you so much.